Have you ever seen this strange spiky fruit? It's called soursop, also known as graviola, and it's one of the most fascinating trees in the tropics. Soursop is Annona muricata. It thrives in warm, humid climates across the Caribbean, Central and South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and here where I am in Hawaii. The fruit is known for its sweet, tangy flavor, often described as a combination of strawberry and pineapple, with even some coconut in there. It's a creamy white flesh that has black seeds and a spiny green skin that turns yellowish when it's ripe. The fruit can weigh up to 15 pounds and is used in all kinds of desserts and beverages. The trees are relatively low branching and bushy, usually only about 20 to 30 feet tall, making it easier to harvest. But the trees are sensitive to cold and strong winds. That's why they're generally just in the subtropics and tropics. As far as the health benefits of soursop, they're used in medicine for various things like arthritis, nerve disorders, and diarrhea. They're a good source of antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, which is good for inflammation and digestion. And it's also been said, with some scientific evidence, that the leaves can be used to make a tea that is good for the immune system and inflammation reduction, and also has anti-cancer properties. So that is all about the soursop tree. This is the one we have in our orchard that is just giving fruits for the first time this year. We tried the fruit. It was absolutely delicious, creamy, tart, and sweet. It lives up to its name of soursop. Here you can see what it looks like when it's real little. They're cased in these little like candle nut type casings, and then those fall away and the fruit starts to grow. One other thing to know about soursop, they contain a compound called anisin, which has been linked to atypical Parkinson's in populations that consume the fruit or remedies made from the leaves bark in large quantities. That's why it's not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women to consume, especially teas, extracts, and supplements containing soursop. So there is that slight health concern. But the benefits are tremendous, and just eating it as a fruit, not to worry about the medicinal quality. It's just a delightful, kind of like lychee, rambutan, in that category of kind of tropical fruits with a sweet, tangy flavor. It's great. So if you can get some, if you're in Hawaii or anywhere else, check them out. All right, we'll see you next time on Eat and Be Eaten with some more canoe plants videos. Aloha.